Are you about to lose your mind trying to find the perfect white? Well, I am here to help you and explain to you why finding the perfect white is a little bit challenging for you. Warm whites are all the rage right now. Every single one of my clients is asking me for the perfect warm white. However, their next comment is every white that they look at looks too yellow or looks a little bit gray. Now, you may have seen this video of mine. If anybody gives you a color recommendation to answer your question, run far, far, far away. It doesn't exist. And if anybody gives you a color recommendation that says this is a creamy color that doesn't lean yellow, it means that it's not creamy. It means it has another undertone in it to take away from the yellow. And oftentimes that is gray or purple or green. If you want creamy, you want yellow. If you don't want yellow, you don't want creamy. Plain and simple. As an interior designer, I can tell you if you're looking for a warm, creamy paint color, your dominant undertone every single time is going to be yellow, no matter what. And it's okay if you don't want that. You're allowed to ask for a little bit of warmth that doesn't look too yellow. You just have to be prepared that to achieve it, we need to add in other color to bring down that yellow. And like the video said, it's often green, purple, and gray. Gray is a big one. If you told me you do like creamy colors, but every single time you put them in your house, they look even more yellow, what that means to me as your designer that's going to help you is that you have a stark white somewhere, whether it's on your trim, your ceiling, other cabinetry. Take my top, for example. My top is a very bright white, and the cabinetry behind me, right here on both sides, is a very warm, creamy white. It is Benjamin Moore Cloud White. The only reason that cabinetry looks a little bit yellow in this screenshot is because my top is bright white. And if we get rid of that bright white and I put on a black top, you can see the cabinetry behind me becomes much less yellow and just soft and bright. The same idea applies to your home. If your ceiling, trim, doors, even a countertop are super bright white. Colors like Pure White by Sherwin-Williams, Chantilly Lace by Benjamin Moore are all stark whites, and they're going to give your creamy warm colors a boost in their yellow because any stark white amplifies undertone around it. And that applies to any color, not just a creamy yellow or a creamy off-white. So I want you to look around and see what in your home is stark white. What is making the creamy warm colors or any color in your home amplified? Are the creamy warm colors looking more yellow than they actually need to be because you have a stark white in your space that you can get rid of? You can paint that trim. You can paint that ceiling, and countertops can be replaced if it's really bothering you. I can appreciate it's not the least expensive endeavor, but if they are really bothering you because of what they're doing to the other colors in your space, that is a really great thing to change to help your undertones in your home. The first thing I want you to consider is everything else in your space. Take note of what's around you. The second thing I want you to do is be brutally honest with yourself if you are getting hung up on undertone categories. For some reason, many people, many of my clients are petrified of yellow and gray undertones. Gray because of the millennial gray era, everybody's putting gray in the same bucket when gray is your best friend. It really helps ground colors. It really helps tone down undertones that you don't love as much. And secondly, yellow, people just automatically assume if I say the undertone of this color is a dominant yellow, they think their walls are going to be a butter stick for some reason, and that is not the case. There are so many different undertone combinations that can give you the perfect paint color. And third, the overall palette that you want to create in your home and what you want to place with your white, whether it's a warm white or a cool white, it doesn't really matter. You need to make sure everything works together. If you need help figuring out what goes together, I can help you with that. I offer coffee chat sessions, which is a virtual design consultation. We can get on camera just like this. You can show me your space and you can pepper me with all of your questions. I would be happy to help you professionally with your space. If you've enjoyed this video and have learned something from it, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here, and I would love for you to love your home even more than you do today. And let me know, what is your favorite off-white?